Yesterday I heard the rain whispering your name, asking where you'd come. It fell softly from the clouds
on a silent crowd as I wander on. Out of doorways, black umbrellas seem to pursue me.
Faceless people as they pass were looking through me. No one knew me. Yesterday I shut my eyes, face up to the skies, drinking in the rain.
But your image still was there, floating in the air, brighter than a flame. Yesterday I saw a city
full of shadows, without pity, and I heard a sad rain whispering your name, whispering your name. Asking where you're gone.
Yesterday I saw a city full of shadows without pity, and I heard dust of the rain whispering your name, whispering